today is your test day. I will give you an assignment for completion. So today you will do work on task. So first I will guide you how you will complete your task. So first step, please all participants open Jupyter Notebook. All participants please open Jupyter Notebook and type done within Zoom chat so that I will allot you a task. Today task is ANOVA. So you need to ask 4 questions. What is ANOVA? Second, why ANOVA? Why ANOVA? Third question, types of ANOVA. And sample data table for ANOVA. And last is you need to download sample data table from ChatGPT for each type. You need to revise this step. No, I will give you 30 minutes. I will give you 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you need to send me a file. Send me ChatGPT generated sample data table file. This file should be related to your field of study. Related to your field of study. For example, if your field of study is plant science, you need to get a sample data file for ANOVA for each type. You need to get a sample data table for each type according to your field of study, for your field of study. For example, if your field of study is plant science, you need to get a sample file from ChatGPT with example plant science, have example plant science, or the example data set should be related to plant science. If your field of study is engineering, your data should be related to engineering. If your field of study economics, your data should be economics. So your today task is for 15 marks. 5 for Excel file. You need to generate Excel file. 5 for understanding. of ANOVA and different types of ANOVA. And last 5 marks for ANOVA result and its plot. You need to complete these 3 steps. Now you have 30 minutes. I will ask you questions for understanding about ANOVA. For example, I ask what is ANOVA? What is the difference between one-way ANOVA and two-way ANOVA? What is the difference between ANOVA and t-test? How many groups we required in ANOVA? So these are the example questions. So now you have 30 minutes. Your time is now started. In my side time is 7:17 p.m. Okay, your time is started now. Yes, same like yesterday. But in yesterday you have done for t-test. No, today you will work for ANOVA. Okay, no, I am just waiting for your reply and completion of time. I am also sending these 3 tasks in group so that other participants may also get the information about today test. If you have any confusion or question, you can ask